In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email submit button to a fillable PDF form in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This will allow users to easily submit the completed form directly through email, making your workflow much smoother. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the PDF document you'd like to work on in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your document is open, head over to the All Tools tab and select the Prepare Form option. This is a crucial initial step as it ensures you have the right tools at your disposal to modify the PDF accordingly. Next, click on Select a File to choose the specific document you intend to modify. With the file selected, proceed by clicking Create Form. This action will set up your document for editing, enabling you to add new form fields or buttons as necessary. Moving forward, locate the Button tool. Once you've found it, use your mouse to drag and create a button in the desired location on your form. You'll want this button to be easily accessible to users, so take a moment to think about where it best fits in the layout. Once your button is in place, switch back to your normal cursor and double click on the button you've just created. This action will open the button's properties dialog box. Here you'll see several tabs that offer different customization options. In the General tab, name your button Submit. This name will help distinguish it as an action-oriented element within your form. After naming your button, hop over to the Appearance tab. Here you can adjust the font size to ensure that the button's text is legible and visually appealing for form users. Switch to the Options tab next. You'll want to type Submit for the label. This label will be the visible text on the button, so make sure it's clear and direct. Now it's time to make the button functional. Go over to the Actions tab. In the Select Action drop-down menu, choose Submit a Form, then click on Add, and you'll be prompted to enter a URL for the button action. Enter mail to, followed immediately by your email address. This designation turns the button into a submit function that sends the form to your specified email. For the export format, choose PDF, the complete document. This ensures that the entire form is sent as a PDF file to your email once the button is pressed. After you've configured everything, click OK and then close the Properties dialog box. To ensure everything is working correctly, click on Preview in the bottom left corner. This mode lets you test the button functionality directly within Acrobat. Once satisfied with how it performs, exit the preview mode. And there you have it. You've successfully added an email submit button to your fillable PDF form, streamlining your document workflow with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for tuning in and happy PDF editing.